Welcome to yet another Python programming video from your GK buddy. In this video, we are going to see how to accept a number as an input from a user and check whether it is odd or even. This video provides an answer to Computer Science Class 11, Unit 3, Chapter 3 Lab Exercises question number 2, which is write a function to find whether a given number is odd or even. Let's understand what an odd or even number is. When a number is divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, the number is even. In Python, we use the modulus function. The modulus function is indicated by the percentage sign. This function is used to check whether a number is odd or even. If the number modulus 2 equals 0, there's no remainder when divided by 2, the number is even. And if the number modulus 2 is greater than 0, which means there's a remainder when you divide by 2, then the number is odd. Let's head to the Python code and see how we can implement this function. So in this question, we have to write a function and we have to accept an input. Before creating a function, one thing which we have to remember is that the function should be defined at the very beginning of a program. So the function should be defined before we call the function from the program. So we start by defining the function. The keyword for defining the function is def, and we give the function name. Here we call it odd or even because that is what the function does. And the num that you see here is the argument of the function. For the function to work, we have to provide a number. So if you have to determine whether a number is odd or even, we have to provide the number, and that number is called the argument. So while defining a function, the first thing that you have to do is use the keyword def, then give the function name and provide the function argument. Then the argument that is received should be stored in a variable. So we are storing it in a variable called n. And then we have to check whether the number is odd or even. If n modulus 2 compares with 0, then print the number is even. If there's no remainder when divided by 2, the number is even. Else, if there's a remainder, then print the given number is odd. Then we write the first statement of the program. The first statement of the program is get an input from the user. So we use the input function, which displays this message on the screen. And we get the input from the user, convert it into an integer, and store it in the variable I. So at the end of execution of this statement, the input given by the user will be stored as an integer in the variable I. The next step is to call the function. So we call the function by giving the function name and the argument. So here the argument is the input given by the user. So we call the function name odd even, and the argument is I. When we call this function defined here gets executed and we get the result. Let's see how this code works. Let's go to run module, and you get a display, please enter a number greater than 0. So let me type, say, 78. Press enter, and it says the given number is even. So 78, when you divide by 2, it gives 39 as the quotient, 0 as remainder, and therefore the number is even. So this part of the program works fine. Now let's check with an odd number. So let's go to run module. Let's type an odd number. Let me put 99. It says the given number is odd. So this program works fine. Hope you found this video useful. We at your GK buddy value your comments a lot. If you love our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Looking forward to see you again with another Python programming video next week. Have a great weekend.